Hi, good morning. My name is Jeng. Today I'm going to make a simple makeup tutorial. So if any one of you is interested to know what my simple makeup, so in my lips, I always put lip cheek tint. So today I tried this Sugadol. So I just bought it to um, Lazada. So I just want to know if this smoky red is bagay sa labi ko. So we will just put a little amount on your lips, just like that, and then you spread it. Spread it a little more if there's space that there's no any tint on your lips. That's it. So if you see that it's good enough, then it's fine. You may stop it. Then I put also a blush on, color pink. This is with um, sponge na. So I just put a little amount on my cheeks, just like that. Medyo matigas yung powder niya, parang hindi visible. But then, if you think that it's good enough for on your cheeks, then it's good to go. There. May problema yung... Yan. So, blush on, no? And then, if kayo ay pupunta ng, kunyari, gimmick, ganyan. Ako kasi nilalagyan ko ng white eyeliner yung dito ko sa ilalim. So, we will check if it's good. One moment. Yan. So, we always check if there's a sobra para hindi naman mukhang pangit, no? Yeah, there. So, ganyan ako pag gumigimik, nilalagyan ko ng puting eyeliner yung ilalim ng mata ko. And then, if you want to put, tawag dito, para dito, eyeshadow. So, I'll just put a little eyeshadow on it. Bali, itong eyeshadow na to, binili ko sa, saan ba to? Basta sa SM Fairview. Yun. Kayo nang bahala maghanap. Color gold. Ito naman, sa Fashion 21, white eyeliner. So, yun. Ganyan lang po ako mag-makeup. So, kung gusto nyo follow, sundin yung mga simple makeup ko, magiging kamukha nyo na ako. Joke lang. Anyway, yan. Okay, thank you. Bye!